For the last 4 days, we have been attending the Amauta Spanish School here in Cuenca, where we've been part of a collaboration between the municipality of Cuenca and the Amauta Spanish School. What they put together, this is the third session this year. It's a free 4-day course where you can sign up to go and learn some Spanish, as well as learn about all of the programs and services available to newcomers to Cuenca.
Yeah. What I have learned from this Spanish school is that I'm not very good at Spanish.
But it takes time.
It absolutely does.
Today is actually day 4, and we're going to take you on a walking tour.
Yeah, I can't wait. The Spanish school offers so many different things too, like homestays.
That's a collaborative effort as well. The school itself is just a school, but they do have other families that have homestays available. So if you inquire with them, they can set you up with a family that may be able to offer you a homestay.
I got it.
That's how that works.
Okay, so it's basically like a hub where you can go to learn about Cuenca, and if you have questions, or if you just want to stop in and have coffee.
Yeah, they have, and for people that may be living in Cuenca or spend time and want somewhere to volunteer, they do look for volunteers that come both speak English and Spanish, that can come to the school and want to volunteer to assist with these programs, or even maybe just assist with some of the people when it comes to explaining services and things like that.
Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to the walking tour today. It's the end of the 4th day. It's kind of like a celebratory, yay, you finished our Spanish class and all our courses. So we're gonna head out on a walking tour.
Let's go.
All right.
So yeah, the Amauta Spanish School offers many services like Spanish lessons, of course, homestays, like Jay mentioned. They have salsa lessons, they do field trips, city tours, academic tours. They have handicraft lessons. It's a great place if you're looking to volunteer. The staff are super friendly and very welcoming. I'll leave their contact information in the description box below and in a pinned comment as well. If you've ever thought of moving to Cuenca, Ecuador, these 12 places might just make you pack your bags, especially my favorite, number 4 and number 12. And I will offer up one pro tip. Look for shade whenever you're out and about in the sun, because the sun is intense. Let's get started with number 1. We started the tour off with a bang at this gorgeous Santa Lucia hotel and restaurant, built in 1854 as a private mansion. Once home to one of Cuenca's most famous poets, is now one of the most elegant boutique hotels in the historic center. Reservations are not needed for lunch, and they are open from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. every day.
The Santa Lucia Hotel is beautiful inside, and you can go there. You don't need a reservation. You can go there, have lunch. Hey, it's really pretty inside.
Oh, it's very nice. Yeah, it's built in 1854.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah. So we're gonna continue on our tour,
and it's all decorated for Christmas right now too, so it's even prettier.
Yeah.
And we'll cross back over.
We headed to our next location that was just up the street. It's a government office building like no other. Not only does it house government offices, but it houses a beautiful bank, under strict security of course, and an art space that you can just stroll through at your leisure. Something I would never expect to find is an art space at a bank. It is definitely worth the look around. Plus, you get to see this beautiful church across the street.
Okay, how cool were those bank vaults, eh? Like those little
That was pretty
boxes?
cool. Like the door is very narrow, but yeah, all the wooden boxes, a couple different sizes, but
Yeah.
obviously haven't been used in some time.
I like the cute little marionette statues inside. It was very neat.
It's a lot of neat little exhibitions set up in there.
And you wouldn't think it would be an actual bank, because there's exhibitions. People can just go in there and check it out.
It's a municipal building now.
Yeah.
Mayor's office and things like that, but it is still a bank, which was its original build intent.
And it's under high security. Did you see that guy with a gun?
Yeah.
Our third stop was at the administrative headquarters for the Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Cuenca, housed in a classic Republican-style colonial mansion with wrought iron balconies and an inner courtyard. It was beautiful. Its archives are a treasure trove of colonial and Republican-era documents, including baptismal records, parish histories, and mining-related notes from the 16th to the 19th century. There are beautiful gardens here, and it's free to explore, open Monday to Friday from 8:30 to 5:30. Now, number 4 was one of my favorites. This place is stunning. Built in 1880 as a private family mansion to a very wealthy family, is now beautifully restored into one of Cuenca's most romantic restaurants. Those balconies with fresco ceilings, the courtyard, it's like stepping back in time. What an amazing place. If you're ever looking for a special dinner in this historic center, this is it. It's definitely a beautiful place.
I think this one is my favorite so far. Look how gorgeous it is in here. Oh my goodness. The light just hits that chandelier and the Christmas tree in the center. Oh my God, this is the prettiest restaurant. Wow. This obviously used to be a house back in the day, but wow, the detail in here is amazing. Jay said there's awesome pastries here. So you know we're going to be checking that out.
Yeah. They're just
This is the cutest
the design
area.
of them. They look like glass. They're glazed over.
Where?
Over right around the corner.
All right, we'll have to check it out. Let's go. Let's do a quick little.
Go in there. Take a right, and then go back and look at that case.
How, like everywhere you look in here is gorgeous. Oh, these are pretty.
Hola.
Oh,
Buenos dias.
buenos dias.
See, look at those.
Oh my goodness.
They look like glass, eh? It looks like ceramics.
I want one of each, but not for
They're pretty
$6
fancy.
each.
They're pretty fancy. They're just
They
look at
are.
these mango ones that look like a mango.
They look like real mangoes. Wow.
And
and chip
your
in the
candy apples
apple.
on a cookie.
Oh my goodness.
Crumble de manzana.
This is gorgeous in here. Like, so pretty. Okay, we have to catch up with the group. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So you could definitely spend
We're
time
coming.
sitting, having a snack with your friends, your family. Look at this little. And then there's a Dunkin' Donuts right there.
And if you're a history buff, you'll want to make your way to the second floor to our number 5 stop, the Archivo Historico, to learn more about Cuenca's history, open Monday through Friday from 8 to 4:30. Number 6 is Cuenca's Old Cathedral. Construction started in 1567, the same decade the Spanish founded the city, so it's literally the oldest cathedral in Cuenca. For almost 300 years, this was the main cathedral, but it's since been restored into a museum of religious art, and a new cathedral was built. Which brings us to number 7, Cuenca's newest cathedral, the one with the famous blue domes that you see in every postcard. Built in 1885 to 1975, it's one of the biggest churches in South America, and it can hold up to 8,000 people. The inside is really something to see. Large archways, it has beautiful stained glass. It's not just a church, it's the heart of Cuenca and a UNESCO treasure.
Of course, a walking tour wouldn't be complete without going into the cathedral, and it is absolutely gorgeous.
Yes,
And I didn't know
stunning.
that it's not complete.
No, well, it'll never be complete. Apparently, the designers, the architects made a mistake on the load bearing, the weight, and so they can't actually finish the towers anymore.
Oh.
So it's a weight thing.
Okay. Wow. It's beautiful, and it is huge. So intricate, detailed, the stained glass windows, the big arches. It's gorgeous.
It is. It's very nice, and it holds. They said it holds 8,000 people.
8,000 people.
8,000 people.
Wow.
And yeah, that's a big church.
Yeah.
Just beside the cathedral, you'll find number 8. What once was a religious school for young men to become priests, it's now converted into a beautiful courtyard with plenty of eateries and beautiful views of the cathedral.
I think we've got the best weather
Today is
for
gorgeous.
doing the walk. It not a rain cloud in sight.
No, you couldn't ask for a better day for a walking tour. That's
Yeah.
for sure. We got lucky.
We did. Lots of really cool shops here.
Just behind this courtyard is another courtyard. I felt like this was kind of like a secret courtyard. It had beautiful gardens and, of course, more beautiful views of the cathedral. After a quick stop for a group photo, we continued on with more beautiful sights along the way. Right in front of Santuario Mariano Church is Plaza de las Flores, Cuenca's famous flower market. Every day, the stalls explode with roses, lilies, orchids, and sunflowers, all grown from the mountains nearby. It's been here for over 100 years, and it's one of the most colorful spots in the whole historic center. Here, you'll also find agua de pitama. It's an aromatic beverage said to help with digestion and nerve function, as well as boosting your energy, all for just 75 cents a cup. Here's Jay and I trying it just a few days ago.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's interesting. It's a different flavor. It tastes like I would say fruit juice, but more like a flower juice.
Okay. I would say don't go by the smell, go by the taste. Yes, it's very botanical, like Jay said. But it's good. I like it. Flower water. And of course, we had to go through the flower market. I could spend hours in the flower market. There's so much to look at.
Literally.
Yeah.
You could.
Maybe not Jay.
They're pretty. They're pretty. And they're inexpensive.
They're what?
They're inexpensive.
They are. It's quite nice. Say hi, Ken.
Hi.
Hi.
I made a YouTube.
So now we are continuing on with the tour.
Number 10 is a cultural center where you'll find art installations, a beautiful garden space, and I think we may have just found the best place to experience Olympus ritual. More on that in an upcoming video.
Lady in the photo had I don't even know what kind of...
I don't know what kind of plants it is.
Yeah.
But they smash them and rub them together and free all the fragrance.
Yeah. And
then
it was so
you
like...
smell it.
Woo!
It's powerful.
It's
smells
very
good, but it's
powerful.
just very powerful. So natural.
There's a ritual here that the traditional women do here called limpias, and Jay and I are going to do that one day. I think that'd be cool. Interesting. Yes.
Okay.
We also stopped by a tour shop, so if you're looking to book tours in and around Cuenca, this might be a good place to start. They're open from Monday to Friday from 8 to 4 and Saturday from 9 to 2, called iTour. And I think they saved the best till last. This elegant building is Ecuador's Provincial courthouse. Built in 1926, the building itself is a restored historic mansion with beautiful arches and a courtyard that often holds concerts. It's a perfect example of how the city mixes together old and modern architecture. Just look at how beautiful this is.
So the Judicial Court building, originally built as university and then taken over by the municipality to be their court, you'd never know from the outside that it had such a beautiful courtyard in the middle, and that just anybody can walk into the court to go see it.
It is beautiful in there. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's
Seriously.
pretty incredible with that glass ceiling and everything.
Yeah.
I guess we weren't there, but I guess a couple days ago they had a concert set up in there.
That would be amazing to see.
Probably was pretty cool.
Yeah. So, if you're coming to Cuenca, don't be afraid to go into the little shops or be inquisitive about what you're seeing or where you're going, because you never know what you're going to find.
Yeah.
You're gonna find...
And so many of the places it doesn't look like necessarily something that's accessible. You'll look in the doorway and you'll see like a courtyard inside. A lot of them are restaurants or cafes. You can go in and have lunch and things like that. You may not necessarily know it just by walking by. And just like the courthouse, there was tours, aside from ours, there was another tour that was already in there. We just walked right in.
I wouldn't have even thought, because it has like courthouse or judicial building on the outside, I wouldn't even think about stepping in to check it out. But
right.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to go and explore.
Worst they can tell you to do is get out.
That's right.
So that's 12 spots in Cuenca that are easy to get to on foot, and there are plenty more. I hope you felt like you were right there along with us. And if this city jumped to the top of your travel list, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, because we're here for 3 months and we want to share our adventures with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.